Hey, welcome back to Cooking with OTK. Today, we're making bloody grilled cheese sandwiches and pumpkin soup. We'll see you in the kitchen.
Yes, we will. Let's go. All right, we're back, and it is lunchtime at our spooktacular campout. And today, for lunch, we're making bloody grilled cheese sandwiches.
Ooh, and tomato pumpkin soup.
Ooh.
With our cran pepper jam.
That's right. We made that earlier with the soups over there waiting. So now we need to make our sandwiches. So let's get to it.
First things first, we've got our skillet warm, nice and ready. So now we're gonna get our cold ingredients. We're gonna get 3 different kinds of cheeses: cheddar, pepper jack, and Muenster. Let's go ahead and get our pepper jack first. Try and get this guy out of here a little bit.
Maybe we're just having grilled jelly sandwiches.
Now we're gonna slice our cheese.
How many slices are you doing?
It really depends on how big your sandwich is. I'm probably gonna do, for this size of bread, 7, 8, probably 4 slices per sandwich of each cheese. Extra slice or 2. Who doesn't like a little cheesy snack?
Let me show you something I just like to, and then I have my first slice.
So now we got our cheddar cheese open. Do a couple more slices.
You're getting close to the plastic.
We didn't get any plastic in there, so we got lucky. There's a bug on my neck.
Ooh, Muenster cheese. Spooky cheese.
Every time I hear Muenster, I think like monster cheese. Now we get our bread out.
What kind of bread?
Italian loaf. Time to butter it. I don't have my butter.
Uh-oh, let's hope I didn't melt it.
Perfectly softened. Now we just take a little spreader and we're just gonna spread it across this bad boy, making sure we got plenty of butter on here. And since this piece of bread is so big, we're just making 1 sandwich and we're gonna cut it in half so we can have 2 sandwiches. Now we've got it buttered and we're gonna do our cheeses. Let's take our Muenster cheese first. Break this bad boy right in half. And we're just gonna copy what we do on each side. Did our Muenster right there, some pepper jack, some cheddar, do a little extra pepper jack all over the place, some more cheddar. We're just kinda gonna throw it all over the place. It doesn't have to be anything particular. That way each bite you basically get a little bit of everything.
And looking good.
Yeah. Now, our cran pepper jelly. Let me tell you, this stuff's pretty darn good.
Very easy to make.
It literally took us a couple minutes to make that. It was awesome. So, we're just gonna take a little spoon. We're gonna spoon it out onto this bad boy and we'll go from there. Just gonna do a line kind of down the middle on each side and we'll just spread it out.
So bloody.
Yeah.
And I tell you what, that cranberry and the cheese and the toasted bread is gonna go perfect with that pumpkin soup that we made.
Yes, it is. It's gonna go phenomenally well. So now we're just gonna kind of spread it over the sandwich. And just kind of put however much jelly you want, really. I'm gonna put a little bit more, actually. Think that's good?
Yeah.
Cool. All right, now we're gonna take one of our 2 slices and throw it on top of the other one. Just like that. Man, all right. Now you just wanna make sure your skillet's hot, and it is. Take a little spatula. We're gonna pick this bad boy up. We're gonna put it right on. Ooh. And we're gonna cook it for about 3 minutes per side. Really just depends on how hot you have your skillet though. Quick tip guys, if you need your cheese on your sandwich or whatever you're doing to melt, or in general for it to be hotter around what you're cooking, you can just use a little piece of tin foil and it'll surround it with that heat super well, like this. Alrighty guys, now it's all ready and we're gonna pull the grilled cheese off the skillet.
Yes, and start building our plate. Take this off, put it right here, let it rest for a minute, and get over here. Ooh, this is our nice soup. Take us a bowl. Ooh, smells good. It's a good helping of soup. Take a plate. Green onions, they're kind of sinking, but hey, that's okay. And then, I mean, grilled cheese sandwich, cheese in the soup.
You got to.
You never have too little cheese. I guess you could, because then you get kind of backed up.
Yeah, I guess you could have too much cheese, but going down, it's not
great.
too much.
All right, we just shaved off a little more parm. Since we're gonna be splitting this, we're gonna cut it in half. Another little triangle, a little bloody grilled cheese sandwich. All right, guys, that looks good. Grilled cheese and jelly, they go good. Gotta dip it in a little soup. Wow, it's like Thanksgiving. It's fall in a bite. Pumpkin,
It's gotta
tomato,
be.
cranberry. You're like, I want to try. I'm almost done. I'm still eating. Don't you turn that off.
Why are you being so weird?
It's just that good. Oh, try it in the soup. It's good.
Wow.
See, that's pretty good. I like it. That's a good
That's
grilled
super
cheese.
good.
All those flavors work awesome together.
And who doesn't love grilled cheese and tomato soup,
I know.
right? And we've got the Thanksgiving fall version of the tomato soup and grilled cheese. So,
It's delicious. So, hope everybody will give it a try. It's quite worth it. It's easy, it's fast, it's perfect lunch for a campsite. So, always remember, keep camping and keep cooking.
yeah.